Let's go.
You're gonna have to take it off. You're gonna have to take it off.
It wouldn't be a Dion video without somebody being shirtless.
You, because we like your nipples. This is a workout. Is that the mango one?
No. If there's no more chicken in the world.
No. I broke my light. I like the dark.
The grape?
Yeah!
Woo! I'm so good.
So basically I am... Man down!
You're such a poop.
You're a poop. Right? That's the music.
That's porn.
You're porn. Ready?
Yeah.
What are you doing? Did you fall? You're welcome.
And then... See, he just bit on my lip. We're just gonna pop balloons with their bodies, like. Okay. Why can't you see anything?
Because I'm blinded.
Basically, don't look like a piece of cardboard. It's real sexy, so show us how it's done. No, it was strawberry.
Strawberry?
Mm-hmm.
That tastes nothing like strawberry.
So yeah, he kind of thing in the
Duct
world.
tape? Tape? Tape.
Yeah,
Well, how is this gay?
I blessed it. It's really good. Oh, there I am.
Are those Sour Patch Kids? Because I've been talking in my sleep a lot lately, I think. And he tried filming me once, and I was just like, oh. Anyways.
Let's have a colorful loofah party.
What the? I'm gonna keep this.
Thank you. Nope. Did my boyfriend just drag me? Hannah Banana wants me to cover my chest in it. Let's get it on. And he sticks the landing.
I don't even know.
Gonna come in handy tonight. JK. Oh, this is bringing back the theme of this video real quick.
Love you.